Yeah, those good dogs. There you go. There's some for you. Yeah, you're good dogs. Here we go. You can't jump for it though, right? Okay. There you go. There you go. Good dogs. Come on. Let's catch up to Evie and Tilly. They're way up there. This way. This way. Tina, this way. Come on, Sam. Sam, this way. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. There you go, Sam. There you go. Now you gotta get it. You gotta be quick around these guys, Sam. Here. Here. There you go. Okay, let's go. This way. Who is this dog? Home dog. Sam, it's okay. Sam, you're alright, buddy. I know. Warning strange dogs away from his pack. Stay away from my pack. You're alright, Sam. I don't think they're worried. Come on, Piper! Yeah! You're getting fluffier and fluffier there, Clover. There you go, yeah, come on. See? Jagger! 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 Good boy! Jagger! Good boy. Good boy, Jagger. Good boy. You got it. You got it. It's alright. You're okay. Oh, you're fine, Sam. You're fine, buddy. Okay. I don't see why not. Oh, okay. Well, we'll go up this way then. We can stay here for a little bit. Yeah. It's just, there's hardly anyone here, so it's perfect. Perfect. Right, Sam? Yeah. That's ideal, isn't it? Yeah. It's ideal for all of us. Oh, Till. So itchy. So itchy.